Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Veteran BJP leader and Andhra Pradesh Governor Viswabhushan Harichandan was airlifted to Hyderabad from Vijayawada for treatment Wednesday after he fell ill. Harichandan, who was 87, was brought to Hyderabad by a special aircraft from Vijayawada after he took ill early morning. He has been admitted to AIG hospital in Ganchibauli. Odisha Crime Branch Wednesday claimed to have obtained credible information regarding the involvement of a Nigerian gang behind the hacking of the WhatsApp account belonging to OCAC CEO Manoj Kumar Patnaik. It is the same gang whose mastermind Morris was arrested by Delhi police November 1. Puri district administration has chucked out plans to construct a floating bridge on Konark Beach, leaving apart a distance of 30 meters from the seashore. Around 50 tents with modern amenities and security of the occupants will be erected on Konark Beach along with the floating bridge. Displeased over the delay in the ongoing probe into Mamita Meher murder case, the deceased's parents have moved Odisha High Court. The family has sought completion of the investigation within a stipulated time. The parents informed the court that the unusual delay has put tremendous mental pressure on them. The Supreme Court today appointed Justice Rakesh Kumar Jain, a former judge of Punjab and Haryana High Court, to monitor the Lakhimpur Kheri violence probe and to ensure fairness and independence in the investigation. The top court also ordered the UP government to include 3 senior IPS officers, which includes a female officer Padmaja Chauhan, present IG of Uttar Pradesh, to continue with the investigation under supervision of Justice Jain. Pakistan will provide professional training to Afghanistan's aviation staff in areas of security, traffic controlling, firefighting, air focused and airport management. A statement by the Afghan embassy in Pakistan said that the bilateral agreement in this regard was reached during the visit of Afghanistan's foreign minister to the country. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has been appointed as the chair of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee. Ganguly succeeds his former teammate and India captain Anil Kumble, who stepped down after having served the maximum of 3-year terms. The decision was taken at the ICC board meeting in Dubai Tuesday. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.